magmumukbang kasama ang aking baby at ang aking mister. Yan, meron po kaming crispy fried chicken from McDonald's, request ni Kayla. Meron po kaming crispy chicharong bulaklak, ayun po. At meron po kaming tofu. Yan. At bago po kumain, wag po kalimutang maghugas ng kamay at magdasal.
Pray na anak, pray. Amen.
Amen.
Kain na! Gusto mo? Chicken? Chicken. Chicken.
And you have this one.
Sa tofu.
Mama, we can share the food together.
Nasaan na yung pineapple?
And this is Mama's. This is Mama.
Ayan, dahil makolesterol po ang chicharong bulaklak, meron pong pineapple juice ang aking mister.
So sour. Kumain mo na rice.
It's so good.
So good. Ay, you eat muna ng rice. You want this?
Yeah.
Why? Sarap yan, malutong.
I like this one. It's my favorite. Oh my god.
I'm alright. I'm alright.
I do it by myself. Ah, hot.
No, na. Hindi na.
Mama. Ow.
You eat by yourself.
Okay, eat by yourself.
Yan. Masarap po kumain pag may kasamang kimchi.
Mama, Mama.
Sa gravy.
Drop me. Drop me from the fruit. Drop me?
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na.
One pineapple. The tofu. Yeah, you want? Wow, that's so good.
Are you copying me?
What?
Are you copying me? Stop copying me.
Ay, sorry pa na.
After that, the knee is very much windy. Yeah.
How about chicken? Chicken.
Keep it over here.
May chicken na siya.
Kumain ka. Parang chicharon. You taste!
Nice! Dang! Look at it today. Whoa!
Wow!
Mm.
Sarap.
Is it yummy? Is it your favorite? Wow. Mm. Mm.
Alright. What?
No, I have my fried chicken.
Papa, pakagod papa. Yung chicken.
Nisugo papa.
Also go, Papa.
No, chicken lang.
Did you get chicken?
Yes. Dami.
Mm.
We're not there.
Ha?
I think I'll just eating. Let me want to.
Don't talk when your mouth is full. Wala.
Nako.
It's so good.
So full na.
I think the Miko is watching us. Miko is watching us. Miko said, "Hey,
Miko, Miko.
Mika,
It's
I got
Miko.
it."
Ah, Miko, the cat.
Orange one.
What?
That's the orange one.
Malutong ba?
Mm.
Malutong? Malutong. Malutong. Ha?
Ma,
Lutong.
Martong.
Malutong. Malutong.
Martong.
It's crispy.
Crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken. How about this? The crispy chicharron bulaklak. You want? Why? Careful. Ayan mo. Ayan ka.
Don't put my mouth.
Tungkol niya.
I need a water.
In the water.
That's yours, Papa, and this is
Drink your water na. Yul!
There's a lot of rice.
Okay. Good.
hot.
Hot?
Mama, when I go hair salon when it gets there. Stop!
Ilay ang banana?
No, thank you. I'm full.
Yan, huwag naman. Hmm?
Makain ko.
Sarap.
Full, but
ng price pa, anak. Hindi pala, ganado po ganito.
So full. May full na.
So full na.
It's so slippery, the chicken, Papa.
Why?
Because I put some sauce. Because of a milk.
Lutong, no?
No.
Meron pa, oh. Ayaw, simutin niyo, oh.
Wow! Ayan guys, may natira pa. Busog na talaga kami. Ang sobra minsan hindi rin maganda. Ang importante na busog ka at nag-enjoy kayo. Yun guys. So guys, kung nag-enjoy din kayo sa video na to, huwag niyo kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
If you guys like this video, comment down below you like this video. We're gonna eat morning and my mom and when my mom and papa.
Thank you guys for watching. And shout out ko lang pala yung sister-in-law ko na si Ate Tina. Siya po yung nag-request nito. So request granted. And sa office mate ko na si Camille Ventura at Jenny Bagood. Inaabangan po nila tong video na to. Thank you guys sa suporta. Bye! Bye na. Bye!